What's up, YouTube? Adam here with Adam's Hair Stuff. You want to walk out of your house looking like you're a Greek fucking god? You want to look like you're the goddamn king of Atlantis himself? Well, let's stick around. I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Let's get into it. All right, my boys, I am back. It has been quite some time since I've done a video for you guys, and this one's going to be for you fellas who have long hair. Now, if you guys have kept up with any of my videos, it's been a while since I've done one of these, and my hair has gone long, boy. And it's okay, you goddamn hippie. I know that you have not been getting your hair cut as much as you probably should have been during 2020 because of COVID and everything. So your hair is probably looking like mine, shaggy, long, you don't know what the fuck to do with it. So let's get into the video.
All right, so clean out of the shower here, fresh out of the shower, I should say. I have not washed my hair for a couple days now, so natural oils in there. All I did was do a co-wash in the shower, so clean the hair and condition the hair with some conditioner, and then really rubbed in and everything like that, and then rinsed out. And then now I'm left with just towel dried hair. So that is your starting point. Is you want to make sure that you got semi-clean hair would be best. Something that, a few days of buildup of sebum in your hair, or you can do this with very clean hair, but preferably you would want to do this with semi-dirty hair or something that has a few days of buildup in it to give you a good base. Okay, so first things first, guys, after you have your hair towel dried like this, what you're going to do is you want to make sure that you brush your hair out, okay? You want to brush your hair out. I already did that. I recommend using a wet brush because these are very easy on the hair and the hair strands. They do not pull or yank or nothing like that, so these pose little damage to the actual hair strand. So I recommend getting a wet brush for that. All right, next thing, guys, is we want to use the products here. So first thing that I like to use is the hair balm by Scotch Porter is the name of this brand. Let's see if I can get this focus for you guys. Scotch Porter hair balm. Okay. So what this is, guys, is just like a light conditioner for the hair. It gives you a little bit of definition and helps really define those curls. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. It's like a cream, very, very light consistency. And I'm only using just a dab of this stuff, guys. And I have a lot of hair, so you don't need much of this stuff. So a little bit of this, okay? And what we're gonna do is don't just mat it into your hair, okay? Get most of it onto your fingertips and work it from the fingertips and down to the strands of your hair, okay? All right? So that's the first product we're going to use. All right, fellas, so the next thing you're going to want to grab is a sea salt spray. Now, I like the Reuzel Surf Tonic, also the Byrd hair tonic, or the Byrd sea salt spray, and also I have the Byrd brand sea salt spray as well. Today, we're going to be using this stuff right here. So what we're going to do is we are just going to mist the hair. Okay, and then work it in. And then what I do is I bend my hair over like this and spray a little bit in on top and underneath. Flip it back over, work it in. Now what I want you guys to do is to scrunch your hair, okay? What this does is it activates the curl in your hair and gives you very nice defined curls. All right, guys, so this next step is optional. I have found myself leaning towards this Crew Fiber Grooming Cream right here. If you guys see it, Fiber Grooming Cream. Now what this is kind of like a mousse, okay? And what I like about this stuff is it gives your hair a little bit of shine and also gives you that very defined curl. You do not have to use this. I like to every now and then if I want really defined high shine kind of look, like more of that wet look. This is what that's really good for. This is going to be better for leaving it a little bit more matte and more natural, like you just got you just left the beach, like that kind of look. So that's what this is good for. So if you don't want any high shine in your hair, like it's wet, do not go with this. But if you just want just that natural kind of textured, dried look, the salt spray is the way to go. And what I like about this is, again, it's like a mousse. You want to shake it up a lot. And a little of this stuff goes a long way, guys. I barely sprayed it and it came out, and that's a little bit too much for my liking, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is grab this foam, and it's a fiber, so it's really like fibrous, you know. So what I'm going to do now is the same thing, put it in my hair. And same thing is we are going to scrunch the ends, okay? Now you can use this product on its own. It will be just fine. The reason I like to use the sea salt spray before that is because it gives you a little bit more volume in it, because the sea salt spray is very good for giving you a lot of volume. So if you want something that, if you have very flat hair, very fine, thin hair, sea salt is going to be the way to go to get you some really nice volume in there. The fiber cream foam will do the same thing, but the sea salt just gives it that little bit of oomph to it, okay? So we'll just scrunch it in like that, mess it up however you like, and then all we're gonna do, guys, is just let it air dry, and I'll show you what that looks like.
So there it is, guys. There's the final look right there. Hair is completely dried. We have those nice defined curls and waves in there. The sea salt spray gave me that nice texture. The fiber stuff gave me that little bit of that wet kind of look to it. Also, it gave me some nice definition. So the products that I've been using to make this look happen have been great. They smell great. I would highly recommend them. Links in the description for you guys for those products, and be sure to check those out. If you do purchase anything through my Amazon store, just keep in mind I am an Amazon affiliate, so I'll probably get a kickback from you guys purchasing things in that store. And this style gives you that just whatever kind of vibe, you know, like you're down to do whatever. So I really like this look. Very simple and easy to do, as you guys saw in the video. Super easy, guys. Doesn't take anything really, just a couple products, and your hair will end up looking like this. Now keep in mind though, fellas, that your hair texture does play a factor in how this look really comes together. Now, if you have very fine, straight hair, it's gonna be kind of hard for you to get this kind of look. You can still get some nice volume in there and get that whatever kind of off the beach kind of look with sea salt spray and everything like that, but your hair texture does play a factor in that. If you have very curly hair, also you're gonna have a lot more volume and a lot more curls than I do if you do this, so keep that in mind. My hair is slightly wavy, a little bit more on the wavy side than curly, so I don't get super crazy curls. I can if I really wanted to, but I like it when it's just slightly wavy like this, and I think that's what the look is in all the movies that I've seen with Aquaman and stuff too. So very easy to do style. You also have to make sure that you guys are taking care of your hair, guys. Your hair and your scalp, that plays a big factor in how your hair reacts and looks. The healthier it looks, guys, the more attractive you look, the better it is overall. If you want to know my routine of what I do for my hair, leave a comment down below. It's a future video that I can look into. Well, that does it, guys. This is Adam with Adam's Hair Stuff, and we will see you guys next time. Take it easy.